Konnichiwa, in this video, we'll explore 50 essential beginner interview phrases in Japanese with romanization to help you stand out during any interview in Japan or with Japanese-speaking employers. Mastering these phrases will give you the confidence to succeed. Let's dive in and learn together. Watashi wa kono position ni hige ni kaimi ga arimasu.
I am very interested in this position.
Anata no kaisha ni Tsutomoto Oshit itadakimasu ka?
Could you tell me more about your company?
Kono position no yakwari ni Kwashiko Oshit itadakimasu ka?
Could you describe the role in more detail?
Kono kikayo itadaki arigato gozaimasu.
Thank you for this opportunity.
Kono yakushoko ni motomerareru sukiru ni Tsut Oshit kudasai.
Could you tell me about the skills required for this position?
Watashi wa kono chusenitori kumujon biga dikitimasu.
I am ready to take on this challenge.
Kaisha no jenzai no kadaiwanan disuka.
What are the current challenges your company is facing?
Dono sei na jinbutsu o kosha ni motomitimasu ka.
What type of person are you looking for in a candidate?
Watashi wa sukiru ni kanshait kiken ga arimasu.
I have skills in skill.
Watashi wa chmu di hataraku koto ni hijnik fon shaitimasu.
I am very excited to work with your team.
Watashi wa hijnishin reisi gatakaku, jikan jenshu desu.
I am very reliable and punctual.
Kono kaisha no hataraku kanki ni Tsutomoto Oshit itadakimasu ka.
Could you tell me more about the working environment in your company?
Kono chmu ni ken dekiru koto o tanoshimi ni shaitimasu.
I look forward to contributing to your team.
Watashi no kako no kiken ga kono yakushoko ni tekishiti iruto shinjitimasu.
I believe my past experiences make me a good fit for this position.
Watashi wa jnani teki surun ryoko ga arimasu.
I have the ability to adapt easily.
Jikan kan rito isen jun ino tsukekata ni suguritimasu.
I am excellent at managing time and priorities.
Software name o tsukata kiken ga arimasu.
I have experience using software name.
Watashi wa dokuritsu shite hataraku koto ga tokui desu.
I am good at working independently.
Watashi wa bunya ni jnetsu umotimasu.
I'm passionate about field.
Watashi wa dainamiko nakanki disich suru koto o nozondimasu.
I am looking to grow in a dynamic environment.
Zenshoko dinitai na projekuto ni Torikimashita.
I've worked on similar projects in my previous position.
Atarash sukiru o manabujon biga dikitimasu.
I am ready to learn new skills.
Watashi wa pureshno nakademo hataraku koto ga dikimasu.
I can work under pressure.
Kono yakushoko ni motomerareru jimunori o oshit itadakimasu ka.
Could you give me an example of what tasks this role involves?
Kisha din no kenshiki ka initsut oshit itadakimasu ka.
Are there training opportunities in your company?
Watashi wa chikiteki nakiaria no sich ni kaimi ga arimasu.
I am interested in long-term career growth.
Shimikiri ni owareru shigoto ni monaritimasu.
I am used to working with tight deadlines.
Kensetsu teki nafdobaku o ukireru koto ga dikimasu.
I am open to receiving constructive feedback.
Atarash elsai ni subayako teki dikimasu.
I can adapt quickly to new situations.
Siya na idinoko jin no sich kikay wa arimasu ka.
Are there personal development opportunities within the company?
Projekuto dinosika o hokori ni omotimasu.
I am proud of my work on project.
Projekuto kanrino kiken ga arimasu.
I have experience in project management.
Watashi wa kikaku o tate, kritsu teki ni shigoto o susumeru koto ga tokui desu.
I am good at planning and working efficiently.
Chmu na idinote ritsu o dono sai ni kaiketsu shaitimasu ka.
How do you resolve conflicts within the team?
Kisha no chmu ni kawaru koto o tanoshimi ni shaitimasu.
I look forward to joining your team.
Kono yakushoko ni okeru chikiteki nakita initsut oshit itadakimasu ka.
Could you tell me about the long-term expectations for this position?
Kono shigoto ni zenryoko ditoriku mujon biga dikitimasu.
I am ready to fully commit to this position.
Kisha no kigibong kanitsut msukoshi oshit itadakimasu ka.
Could you tell me more about the company culture?
Watashi wa sugureta communicate desu.
I am an excellent communicator.
Watashi wa tokotei notma ni hige ni kaimi ga arimasu.
I am very interested in specific subject.
Mensetsu go no tsugi no sutepuwanan desu ka.
What are the next steps after this interview?
Watashi no bonichuit, moto kwashiko hanasu no otanoshimi ni shimasu.
I look forward to discussing my application in more detail.
Ojikan o itadaki, kono kikai o itadaki arigato gozaimasu.
Thank you for your time and for this opportunity.
Watashi wa iyokoteki di kinben na jinbutsu dato kanga itimasu.
I consider myself a motivated and hardworking person.
Watashi wa, shoku mo bunya, no kiken ga kono yakushoko ni yakudatsu to shinjitimasu.
My experience in work field has prepared me well for this position.
Kono shigoto ni Hitsui de areba, ryoksuru jon biga arimasu.
I am willing to travel if necessary for this job.
Watashi no omona mokuhi wakisha na idisich suru koto desu.
My main goal is to grow within your company.
Watashi wa jibun no sukiru to chishiki o ikaseru kikai o sagashitimasu.
I am looking for an opportunity to apply my skills and knowledge.
Arigato gozaimasu. We hope these 50 beginner interview phrases in Japanese will help you feel more confident in your next interview. Practice these phrases, and you'll be well on your way to impressing your future employers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more language tips. Ready to take your Japanese to the next level? Visit AirLearn to learn Japanese in a fun and interactive way. Start your journey today at AirLearn.